Hey there, snuggle enthusiasts. Welcome to the cuddliest corner of YouTube, where we're about to embark on the warmest, fuzziest journey of a lifetime. In today's video, we'll reveal the secrets of how to become a professional cuddler. That's right, we're unlocking the hug force within. So grab your coziest blanket, and let's get started. First things first, to become a pro, you need to master the art of cuddling. This is the cuddle verse, where the spoon becomes the master. Practice various cuddling positions, such as the classic spoon, the half spoon, and the crowd favorite, the koala hug. Remember, it's all about creating a comfortable, warm, and safe environment for your cuddle buddy. Next up, it's time to develop your cuddle quet, or cuddling etiquette. Just like any profession, you'll need to adhere to certain standards. Set boundaries, communicate openly, and always be respectful. Remember, no one wants to snuggle with a grumpy bear or a prickly porcupine. Now that you've mastered the cuddle verse and cuddle quet, it's time to get certified. Yes, you heard me right. You can become a certified cuddle master. Enroll in a professional cuddler training program to learn the ins and outs of the business and get that fancy piece of paper that says you're officially a cuddle connoisseur. Time to unleash your inner cuddlerpreneur. Create your cuddle brand by designing a logo, setting up a website, and establishing your social media presence. Don't forget to showcase your unique cuddle style and communicate your cuddle philosophy. Let the world know you're the one they want to snuggle with. Lastly, embrace the world of networking and marketing. Attend cuddling events, workshops, and conferences. Hand out your snazzy business cards and make connections with fellow cuddle enthusiasts. After all, you never know when you'll find your next cuddle client or partner in snuggle. Well, snuggle seekers, that's a wrap for today. Remember, if this video brought a warm smile to your face and made you feel all fuzzy inside, then hit that thumbs up button like it's your favorite teddy bear. Subscribe to our cozy corner of the internet, and share this video with all your cuddle craving buddies. But wait, there's more. If you're itching for a luxurious life of snuggles and riches, we've got just the thing for you. Scuttle on over to getrichnow.com and get lost in a treasure trove of articles, guides, and secrets to amassing a fortune while staying snug as a bug in a rug. Who says you can't have your cake and cuddle it too?